Hi everyone, it is A.R.A. Productions and welcome to a new video. I'm going to be doing a system test today. I was originally planning on doing this video either last week or 2 weeks ago, but unfortunately something came up and I was unable to record it. So I'm very sorry about that, guys. But anyway, let's get into the video. Here we have this Simplex 4251-20, I think. We have the AT5060S, I think. I'm not sure. This is the System Sensor 2400 TH Smoke. This is the 2100S Smoke. Wheelock MT, I don't know what it's on right now, and 7002T. So the panel's normal. This panel has been on since I got it. I never turn it off. It stays on 24/7, so this system kind of protects my room a little bit. Obviously, it's not a full-fledged... It's a full-fledged system, but, you know, it's not like a professional thing. But, you know, it gets the job done. It's fully operational. So, yeah, I guess gotta put on my ear protection real quick and, can get this started. Alright, so with that being said, let's pull the T-bar. Just gotta set my camera down for a sec because my ear protection got a little loose. Okay, and we'll reset the system, and then we'll activate this real quick. And last but not least, let me find a screwdriver and I'll test the I'll test the 2400. Here we go. Okay, everyone, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. I'll try and upload whenever I can next, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.